बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। डियर सब्सक्राइबर, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। वेलकम टू माय चैनल ऑल टू लर्न। इस वीडियो में हम लेक्चर केमिस्ट्री के 500 एमसीक्यू सॉल्व करेंगे। इससे पहले वाले जो पार्ट 1 वीडियो, इसमें 250 क्वेश्चन हमने सॉल्व कर चुके हैं। अभी हम नेक्स्ट जो क्वेश्चन है वो करते हैं सॉल्व। तो वीडियो शुरू करने से पहले चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिएगा। यह जो क्वेश्चन है आपके लिए बहुत हेल्पफुल होंगे आपके आने वाले लेक्चरर केमिस्ट्री के पेपर में, और वैसे भी सीएसएस, पीएमएस या कोई आपका एफएससी, बीएससी के जो पेपर होते हैं उनमें ये एमसीक्यूज आपके काम आ सकते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 259 है, सोलेबिलिटी ऑफ CaOH2 इज ऑक्सोथर्मिक इफ सोलेबिलिटी विल इंक्रीज। ऑप्शन बी इसका आंसर है एट लो टेम्परेचर। 260 है, आयोनाइजेशन ऑफ वीक एसिड इज एक्सप्रेस इन टर्म ऑफ फॉलोइंग कांस्टेंट। सी ऑप्शन है Ka। बफर एक्शन कैन बी एक्सप्लेन बाय ऑल ऑफ अबव, कॉमन आयन इफेक्ट, लॉ ऑफ मास एक्शन, ली चैटरलायर प्रिंसिपल। A basic buffer solution can be prepared by mixing weak acid and its salt with strong base. Unit of kW or mole dm cube in an exothermic reversible reaction. Increase in temperature shift the equilibrium to reactant side. Strength of an acid can be determined by pKa. Extent to H2 plus I2 to Hi can be increased by increasing temperature. A large value of Kc mean that an equilibrium, less reactant and more products. A reaction is reversible because products are reactive. When equal volume of ether and water are shaken, then two layers are formed. The either layer contain water. इसको ऑप्शन सी है 1.2%. Aqueous solution of methyl is zeotropic mixture because mixture can be separated by distillation. C option है aqueous solution of glucose boil 100.52 centigrade. The solution contain A option 180 gram glucose in 1 liter water. Colligative property are properties of solution that depend upon D option है number of molecules. Elevation of boiling is measured by B. Landsberger method. Freezing point depression is measured by Beckman apparatus. The number of water of crystallization of MgSO4 is 7. The number of water of crystallization of MgCl2 is 6. The solution of CH3COONA basis. The solution of AlCl3 is acidic. Na2SO4 solution is neutral. The solution of KCl neutral. According to Rowland's law, D option है all of above. Relative lowering of Vp is equal to mole function of solute. The lowering of Vp is directly proportional to the mole function of solute. Vp of solvent above solution is equal to product of Vp of pure solvent and mole of fiction of solvent in solution. Solubility of following decrease with increase in temperature. A Ce2SO4 whole part 3 इसकी whole नीचे 3 है. Which one of the following has continuous solubility curve D both A and B? NaCl NaNO3. Which one of the following has discontinuous solubility curve? D option है CaCl2 6H2. Which of one of following is not a conjugate solution? And ethanol plus water. Mixture of alcohol and water can be separated by fractional distillation. Which one of the following is not soluble in alcohol? KCl. Ethylene glycol is mixed with water and antifreeze in radiator because it has all characters. It has low vapor pressure, it raises the boiling point of water, it lowers the freezing point of water, it changes osmotic pressure. Which of the following solution will have higher vapor pressure than that of water? D option aqueous solution of urea. Use of NaCl in ice cream making is an important application of. C option है colligative property. Use of glycol is antifreeze in the automobile is an important application of colligative properties. Solubility curve of Na2SO4 10H2O shows discontinuous solubility with temperature. The solution with which distill without changing in composition is called azeotropic mixture. When NaCl is dissolved in water, melting point decreases. The vapor pressure of aqueous solution of sugar solution is equal to vapor pressure of water. Which pair of mixture is called ideal solution? B option है chlorobenzene and bromobenzenes. The sum of mole fraction X of component of a solution is equal to 1. Which one of the following salt will not hydroxyl? A option NaCl hydrolysis. Hydrolysis is a potassium acetate produced. C option है basic solution. Azeotropic mixture do not obey Rayleigh law. The term ebullioscopy is used. Evaluation in boiling point. The term chrysoscopy is used. Depression of freezing point. मैं नेट ऑफ कर दूँ. The term chrysoscopy is used. Depression of freezing point. Which of the following is a mixture liquid show negative deviation? B option है HCl and water. Mole fraction of 10% urea is 0.032. Salt of a weak acid with strong base when dissolved in water gives basic solution. The molar boiling point constant is the ratio of the elevation in boiling point to molality. 18 gram glucose is dissolved in 90 gram of water. The relative lowering of vapor pressure is equal to C. Molarity of pure water is 55.5. C option है. Two solution of NaCl and KCl are separated by dissolving same amount of the solution in water. Which of the following statement is true for the solution? B जो है हमारे पास both the solution have same boiling point. Which of the following solution has the highest boiling point? D option है all have same boiling point. 5.85 solution है NaCl, 18% solution in of glucose, 6% solution of urea. Strongest oxidation agent in electrochemical series is B है F. Voltaic cell can be changed into reversible cell. Coercion reaction are spontaneous redox reactions. Metal which are above SHE in electrochemical series can liberate H2 from acid. The electrode with more negative value of reduction potential act as B है anode. Strong oxidizing agent have greater positive value of standard reduction potential. Strong reducing agent have greater negative value of standard reduction potential. Alkali metal have lower value of reduction potential than coinage metal. In alkaline battery, the electrolyte contain KOH. In lead accumulator, the electrolyte H2SO4 solution is 30% greater. The value of standard reduction potential of a species indicates greater its tendency to accept electrons. In an electronical connection between cathode and anode of a violet cell, electron flow from the anode to the cathode. A process for converting one metal with thin layer of another metal is called electroplating. A cell in which an electric current drives a non-spontaneous reaction is called electrolytic cell. A cell in which spontaneous redox reaction generates an electric current is called voltaic or galvanic cell. A system containing an electrode that dips into electrolyte in which chemical reaction either uses or generates an electric current is called electrochemical cell. The branch of chemistry we deal with the relationship between electricity and chemical reaction is called electrochemistry. Metal and their ionic salt both conduct electricity. Which of the following statement is not correct? Both and ionic in nature. The process in which electric current is used to carry out non-spontaneous redox reaction is called electrolysis. A substance which is in molten state and a solution form allow electric current to pass through it is called electrolyte. The flow of electron is called electric current. Metallic conductor conduct electricity. without any chemical change. Metallic conduction is due to the movement of electrons. Substance through which electric current cannot pass are called insulator. Substance through which electric current can pass are called conductor. Oxidation number of sulfur in H2O equation A slash CO 1 2 minus 3 is C plus 2. Which of the following conduct electricity due to the migration of electrons only? Copper metal. A cell which produces electric current by redox reaction is called Violatic cell. Electric current passes through both molten and solution form of NaCl because of Na plus sodium and chlorine ions. When the current is passed through an electrolytic solution, which of the following process will occur? Anion move toward anode and cathode move toward cathode. Which element act as oxidizing agent in the reaction? MnO2 plus 4HCl, MnCl2 plus Cl2 plus H2O. Option A Mn. Which element act as reducing agent in reaction zinc plus H2SO4 Zn SO4 plus H2 A Zn. Which of the following is not redox reaction? A वाला CaCO3 plus into CaO plus CO2 कार्बन जो है. The EMF produced by a voltage cell is cell potential. During the electrolysis of H2SO4 equation, O2 is evolved at anode. Each of the following is definition of oxidation: loss of electron. The oxidation number of Mn is K2, MnO4 is plus 6. The standard reduction potential of a standard hydrogen electrode is 0.0 V. The EM of Zn minus Cu cell is 1.10 V. Oxidation number of oxygen in OF2 is C option है plus 2. In the reduction process, the oxidation number of the element B decreases. In an oxidation process, the oxidation number of element A increases. In reduction process और in oxidation reduction process में ये डिक्रीज होता है और ऑक्सीडेशन प्रोसेस में ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट इंक्रीजेज होता है. इन द इलेक्ट्रोएनालिसिस द प्रोसेस ऑफ ऑक्सीडेशन occurs at anode. An oxidizing agent is a substance which bring about reduction. In a salt bridge, KCl is used because K plus and Cl transfer easily. During the redox reaction, an oxidation agent gaining electrons. Which statement below is not true for reaction Fe3 plus Ei, Fe2 plus? Both Fe square plus Fe cube are called anions. In an galvanic cell, the reaction occurs 2H2O OG plus 4H plus Ei. It occurs at the anode. Which of the following represent the same net reaction as the electrolysis of aqueous H2SO4, electrolysis of water? Which of the following will be good conductor of electricity? Molten NaCl. An electrochemical cell is based upon redox reaction. During electroanalysis of fused NaCl, which of the following reaction occur at anode? Cl ion oxidized. During the electroanalysis of Cu2SO4 equation using Cu electrode, Cu is deposited at cathode. During electroanalysis of KNO3, H2 is evolved at cathode. When aqueous solution of NaCl is electrolyzed, H2 is evolved at cathode. When fused PbBr2 is electrolyzed, land is deposited at the cathode. In the reaction 2Fe plus Cl2 2FeCl3, Fe is oxidized. The oxidation number of chromium in K2Cr2O7 is 6. Standard hydrogen electrode has an arbitrarily fixed potential. 0.0 volt. Electrolysis is the process in which chemical reaction take place at the expense of electrical energy. Glucose is converted into ethanol by an enzyme. Concentrated sugar solution undergoes hydrolysis by an enzyme invertase. Terta-ethyl lead when added to petrol act as negative crystal. The heterogeneous catalysis reactant and catalyst have different phases. Homogeneous catalysis when reactant and catalyst have same phase. A substance which alters the rate of reaction. Catalyst. Arrhenius equation describe the effect of temperature on rate of reaction. When temperature of reacting gases is raised to 10 kg, the reaction rate becomes doubled. The factor which affect rate of reaction, all of these nature of reactant, surface area, light. The order of reaction can be determined by all of above. Graphical method of hit and trial differential method. In the hydrolysis of CH3COO2H5, the acid produced act as autocatalyst. The enzyme used in hydrolysis of urea is urease, the substance which retarded the rate of chemical reaction inhibitor. Optical rotation method is used when reaction involving change of optical activity. Refractometric method is used when reaction involving change of refractive index. Delatometric method is used for rate discrimination when reaction involving small volume change. Electrical conductivity method is applied for rate determination when reaction involving ions. Spectrometry applied for rate discrimination when reactant are produced absorb UV, IR light. When reaction occurs in many steps, then the slowest step is the rate determining step. The equation CHCl3 plus Cl2 CCl4 plus HCl has order. Fractional. The decomposition of ozone has order negative. Half-life period for decomposition of N2H5 at 45 degrees 24 minutes. Half-life of U is 7.1 multiplied by 108 here. When the rate of reaction is entirely independent of the conic of reactant molecule, then order of reaction is 0. The experimental relationship between a reaction rate and the concentration of reactant is called rate law. Photochemical reaction usually have order 0. The hydrolysis of tertiary butane has order pseudo first order. थोड़े से रह गए. The equation 2N2O5 plus 2N2 has order first order. The average rate and instantaneous rate of reaction are equal when two rate have time interval equal to 0. The sum of exponent of the conic term in the rate equation is called order of reaction. At the beginning, the decrease in the conic of reaction is rapid. Instantaneous rate of chemical reaction is rate of reaction at a given instant. Chapter number 11 है reaction kinetic. The rate of reaction between two specific time interval is called average rate. In the rate equation, when the conic of reactant is unity, then rate is equal to specific rate constant. The unit of reaction is mole diameter cube second. The unit of rate constant is the same as that rate of reaction in zero order reaction. With increase in 10% increase of 10 centigrade temperature, the rate of reaction double. This increase in rate of reaction is due to increase in number of effective coalizant. The rate of reaction decreases as the reaction proceeds. If the rate equation of a reaction 2A plus B product rate K, A square B and A is present in large excess, then order of reaction is 1 is zero order reaction. The rate is independent of concentration of reactant. The solution of CuSO4 is acidic. In which of the following molecule the value of bond order in maximum and 2 the bond between HH is weaker than bond between HCl. Molecular orbital theory has the superiority over the VB theory. Which of the following group of element on the average has the highest ionization energies? 8a. Select the largest atom in the following atoms. Te. The CC bond length in ethine is 120 pm. The CC bond length in ethene C2H4 is 133 pm. The CC bond length in ethene C2H6 is 133 pm. Which of the following statement is correct regarding the covalent compounds? Covalent compounds are insoluble in nonpolar solvent. Ionic bonds are non-rigid, non-directional. Which of the following ion is diamagnetic? O. Which of the following molecule is paramagnetic? B2. Which one of the following is diamagnetic? O square. The bond order in O2 molecule is 2. The bond order in N2 molecule is 3. Some covalent compound dissolve in water due to hydrogen bonding. Which of the following element is most electronegative? B है F. इसका bond formed by linear overlap of atomic orbital is called sigma. A bond having partial positive and negative charges. Covalent energy needed to remove an electron from its gaseous atom is called ionization. The geometry of NH3 on the basis of VSEPR model is trigonal pyramidal. On the basis of VSEPR theory, a molecule with theoretical bond pair and no lone pair of electron will have a structure trigonal planar. On the basis of VSEPR model, the geometry of BECl is linear. A chemical bond formed between two similar atoms is purely covalent. The bond formed between the atomic by mutual sharing of electron is covalent. NH3 molecule has one lone pair. H2O molecule has two lone pair. During the formation of chemical bond, the potential energy of the system decreases. The bond angle in water is 104.5 degree. Which of the following molecule has a pyramidal structure? NH3. Which type of orbital hybridization and geometry is used by the central atom of NH square? sp cube hybridization and tetrahedral geometry. Which of the following bond is less polar? Ci. Which of the following characteristic is not usually attributed to ionic substance? B option है deform when struck. 464 है which of the following best describe ionization energy? Energy needed to remove the more loosely bonded electron from its ground state. Which of the following substance has the least ionic character in its bond? ACCl4. Which of the following molecule would be expressed to have zero dipole moment? TeF6. Coordinate covalent bond are formed by donation of electrons. Which one has the least bond angle? H2O. Which of the following bond is least polar? NCl. Which of the following ion has larger ionic radius? K plus. Which of the hydrogen halides has the highest percentage of ionic character? HF. Which of the following molecule has zero dipole moment? BF3. The number of bond in nitrogen molecules 1 alpha and 2 pi. An ionic compound A plus B minus is most likely to be formed when the ionization energy of A is low and electron affinity of B is high. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट इज नॉट करेक्ट रिगार्डिंग बॉन्डिंग मॉलिक्यूलर ऑर्बिट। बी जो है बॉन्डिंग न्यूक्लियर ऑर्बिट है, लो इलेक्ट्रॉन डेंसिटी बिटवीन द टू न्यूक्लियाई, ये फॉल्स है। द वॉल्यूम ऑफ स्पेस इन विच देयर 95% change of finding an electron is atomic orbital. A spinning electron create magnetic field. Atom bomb is based on the principle of nuclear fission. When a pressure in a discharge tube is reduced, which of the following phenomena become very prominent? A discharge take place. The uncertainty principle was stated by Heisenberg. Cathode ray can drive a small paddle wheel, which show that they possess momentum. Neutron was discovered by Chadwick. When a spectrum of light is formed by the radiation given off by a substance, it is called emission spectrum. N plus 1 value for 4f will 7. An orbital can have maximum electrons. 2. Which of the following quantum number describes shape of an electron in an atom? Azimuthal quantum. Which of the following quantum number describe energy of an electron in an atom? Principal quantum. Which orbital has dumbbell shape? p orbital. The space around the nucleus where the probability of finding the electron is maximum is called an orbital. If a stone of 1 gram is many with a velocity of 10 ms, then its wavelength will be 6.65 multiplied by 10 की power 30 m. The spectral lines of Lyman series UV region are produced when electrons jump from higher orbit to first orbit. The wavelength range of visible spectrum is 400 to 750 nm. The spectrum showing only certain color of light is called line. A spectrum containing wavelength of all wavelength is called continuous. Which of the following color has longest wavelength in the visible spectrum of light? Red. The value of Planck's constant H is 6.625 multiplied by 10 की power 34 J second. The distance between two adjacent crests or thoughts is called wavelength. The EM value for positive ray in a discharge tube depend upon nature of gas used. Goldstein discovered the besides the cathode rays, anode type of ray are produced in the discharge tube, which are called positive ray. When the pressure of a gas is in discharge tube is reduced, which of the following become more prominent? A discharge take place. सी ऑप्शन है। तो ये थे हमारे पास 500 MCQs केमिस्ट्री जो मुझे इस वेबसाइट से मिले हैं www.bankofmcqs.blogspot.com। आप इस वेबसाइट पे जाकर ये सारे डाउनलोड भी कर सकते हैं। अगर आपको वीडियो हेल्पफुल लगे तो मेरे पेपर के लिए भी दुआ कीजिएगा। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग। अपना ख्याल रखिए। अल्लाह हाफिज़।